Yo, what is up guys? Brando here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, consider subscribing and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get the show on the road. I've got something really interesting for you guys today. So I got talking to my guys at Harman Kardon and they said, we've got something to show you. And I was like, bring it on. So here we have it. This is the Harman Kardon HKTS16 BQ kit. In the box we receive this center channel speaker. We receive a left and a right, the surround left and the surround right. All of these four speakers are exactly the same. These are pretty well built. I love the wire mesh grill. It looks like material. And each satellite has a set of dual 3-inch speakers with a 1/2-inch tweeter. The back is well rounded, so it can fit in your corners, and it has a stand which is removable. So here we can place them on a desk, and it has some brackets. What I love about this kit is that included in the box, we get all of the accessories. I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna show you what we get. I'm a bit confused at this point. In the box we receive these wall mount brackets that are angle adjustable. Pretty nifty, very handy to have. We also have flat wall mount brackets. You get all of the speaker cable, you get the RCA cable that would jack in from the AV receiver into the subwoofer, which I will show you in a second. All of the screws and accessories are included in the box. I just love it when companies give you whatever you need to get going with the system. I am going to be testing these babies for the next couple days and I will let you know what they sound like. If you're new, consider subscribing, leave a comment below. It's a pleasure doing business with you. Ciao.